In the most recent episode of Cool Takes, we taught you how to make a fruitcake. So now I want to see if Mark Fogarty and Jon Biegel can make it better.
All right, Lisa, what is it? Figgy pudding? Or is that fruitcake? Who knows? Challenge accepted, though.
All right, Lisa, so taking on your challenge today.
So let's get started.
Round one, fight!
Okay, gentlemen, thank y'all for participating in the first holiday cook-off. It was a pleasure to see you suffer. Strategize. And you both did very well. Thank you for doing the stepbrother routine, wearing the same clothes today.
On purpose.
And just quick, how are you feeling?
TK Pride.
How are you feeling about the competition so far? How
Strong.
you did?
Feel very strong about it. Very strong.
Very strong, John.
Are we talking about how much booze I put in mine? Is that what? Oh,
That was
strong.
apparent.
That was always strong.
That was apparent
too.
to everyone.
Very strong.
Yeah.
I feel confident, but he's smiling, so I kind of feel like
the factory had to leave. They were drunk.
Hey,
They were
no
drunk.
wonder why that corner box is.
They were,
is so
they were
good.
boozed up.
Amen.
Yeah,
Okay. So, you both did very well.
it's a tie.
And just let you know that just by a slim margin, by 3 points, Mark won.
What?
Coming to town!
What?
All
I need Jon
All
Biegel, no way.
Winning speech. Give us a winning speech.
I can't believe it. I'm speechless. I'm actually, first time ever, I'm speechless.
I was just to say.
John is like a heavy hitter, so that shocks me. I was smiling because there's no way in the green earth I would beat you.
Whatever.
The only way, no way. So I'm grateful. It was a cool event. I have a new look at fruitcake, I can tell you that.
And I can tell you, I'll never make it again. I can tell
Okay,
you that.
so we got to have a comeback next year. What's your strategy for next year?
We can cook anything other than fruitcake.
I'm in.
That's fair.
I'm in. Game on.